Hello marketers, welcome to another review video from How to Webmaster. Today I am reviewing Impact.com. This is one of the biggest affiliate networks currently on the web and also one of my favorites for sure. So Impact.com is super easy to get started with, and I also love the dashboard. It is very straightforward, and Impact.com, it's for brands, enterprise level brands, companies, for publishers, affiliate marketers, influencers. And let's take a look at inside of the dashboard of Impact.com. And this is my affiliate account, and you can see here all the brands currently working with Impact. For my account, I see 5,400 companies or brands. These are some of the biggest brands. Of course, we got web hosting companies, education, and these are all the other categories over here. So basically every category under the sun. Here's my current home screen. As you can see, it is just nicely laid out, big graphics, big charts. My earnings for the week, made about $20 something right there, conversion rates. And what I really like as an affiliate with Impact, you can see my list of approved brands that I can promote. So we have big companies like Best Buy, Bluehost, and these other ones right here. For example, let's do Best Buy, and it instantly gives me a link right here. This is my affiliate link, and I can also deep link. So if I find a product I like on a Best Buy, I can paste it right here, and then I click on create, and this will create a unique link, my affiliate link, and the link will go directly to whatever landing page or product page I want. And this works for every single brand, and I can promote any kind of deep link. So this makes it super easy, create affiliate links. That's why affiliates love this place. And if you're a brand, I highly recommend it, because affiliate loves Impact, and it's easy to search for new brands and apply. So here you can see I'm pre-qualified for these brands right here, and I can click join and I'll instantly be approved. And also these are new brands that I can promote, and if I click on apply, it shows you exactly the kind of payout, the commissions, and then I can just apply. Another example right here. So the type of commission, earned 5% for the 30 days. And then you click on details, you can see it only works in United States, how they track, and always look for the deep linking. And then you can also see that if they're open to placement, you can contact them directly through Impact and see if they want to sponsor your content, open to influencers. And both the brand and affiliates can contact each other right there. Just click on that, or the chat right there. Makes it very transparent and easy to work with for both brands, companies, affiliates, influencers. And like I said, everything is nicely laid out, designed, is clean, easy to navigate. And I think they pay out every couple of weeks automatically, sent to your bank account or however you want to set it up. And the minimum payout is $10. Alright, that's my quick and easy review of Impact.com. Highly recommend it for both brands and affiliates. It's a huge network. Enterprise level companies are on here, so you can't go wrong with them. Alright, thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.